Magnifying glass. Magnifying glass. Magnifying glass. He used a magnifying glass to examine the small text on the document. Map. 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 We followed the map to find the fastest route to the museum. Marker. 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 She used a red marker to highlight important points in her notes. Masking tape. Masking tape. Masking tape. The artist used masking tape to create clean edges on the canvas. Message pad. Message pad. Message pad. The receptionist wrote down the details on a message pad. Newspaper. 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 He read the newspaper every morning with his coffee. Notebook. 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 She writes her daily plans in a notebook. Pack. 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 I bought a pack of colored pencils for my art class. Paint. 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 The children used paint to create a colorful mural on the wall. Paintbrush. 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 He used a fine paintbrush to add details to the painting. Palette. 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 The artist mixed her paints on a wooden palette. Paper. 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 He folded the paper to make a paper airplane. Paperclip. 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 She used a paperclip to hold the documents together. Paper fastener. Paper fastener. Paper fastener. The paper fastener helps to keep multiple pages securely attached. Pen, pen, pen. I wrote my name on the form with a black pen. Pencil, pencil, pencil. The pencil is easier to erase when I make a mistake. Pencil case, pencil case, pencil case. He keeps his pens and pencils neatly in his pencil case. Pencil sharpener, pencil sharpener, pencil sharpener. She used the pencil sharpener to sharpen her broken pencil. Pin, pin, pin. She pinned the notice to the bulletin board using a pin. Plastic clip, plastic clip, plastic clip. The plastic clip is ideal for holding thick stacks of paper. Post-it note, post-it note, post-it note. I wrote a reminder on a post-it note and stuck it to the fridge. Protractor, protractor, protractor. We used a protractor to measure the angle of the triangle. Pushpin, pushpin, pushpin. She used a pushpin to secure the map to the wall. Ruler, ruler, ruler. The student used a ruler to draw straight lines. Scissors, scissors, scissors. She used a pair of scissors to cut the paper neatly. Scotch tape, scotch tape, scotch tape. We need scotch tape to wrap the gift box. Set square, set square, set square. The carpenter used a set square to check the angles. Staple remover, staple remover, staple remover. She used a staple remover to take out the staples from the documents. Stapler, stapler, stapler. He used a stapler to bind the papers together. Test tube, test tube, test tube. The scientist placed the test tube in the holder before adding the chemicals. Textbook, textbook, textbook. The students brought their math textbook to class every day. Watercolor, watercolor, watercolor. She painted a beautiful sunset using watercolors.